Hi guys, and welcome to this very quick 15-minute flow to just release any stagnation you may be experiencing. Come to a comfortable seat, take your shoulders over your hips and close your eyes. As you close your eyes, close the lips, part the teeth, and just start to welcome breath in and out of your nostrils. Big breath in. Complete breath out. 2 more just like that. Breath in. Breath out. Last time. Big inhale. Big exhale. Good. You're going to flutter your eyes open. Take your right hand to your left knee. Your left hand behind. You might want to take your hand to your low back or reach back to the floor. And you're just going to gently twist. Twist lower, middle, then upper back. Look past that left shoulder. 3 breaths. Big breath in. Breath out. 2 more. Good. On your next inhale, you're going to twist back through center and switch sides. Left hand to right knee, right hand behind. Again, you might want to put it to your low back or to the floor. Just start to gently twist. Lower, middle, upper back. 3 breaths. Big inhale. Big exhale. Good. 2 more. On your inhale, you're going to come back through center. Take your hands to tabletop position and give me a few rounds of cat and cow. Inhales will open, heart lifts, belly drops. Exhale, round. Good. 2 more. Breath in. Breath out. Last time, big breath in. Breath out, round. Good. You're going to come to a neutral spine. Extend that left leg out nice and long, just straight to the side. Turn those toes forward. See if you can walk the leg out so long that that left hip is in alignment with the right. Again, take a few more rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, move from the pelvis, look up, heart lifts. Exhale, round, press the floor away. 2 more, breath in. Breath out, round, look in. Last time, big inhale. Big exhale, round, look in. Good. Find a neutral spine. You're going to rise on up towards the sky. Take that left hand to that left leg. You're going to slide that right arm up towards your head and then lean over and slide down that left leg, gate pose. Look up underneath that right armpit. Start to breathe up and down that whole right side body. Big inhale. Big exhale. See if you can release some of the tension. 1 more. Now I want you to think like a cartwheel. You're going to take that right hand to the floor, stretch that left arm out nice and long. You might want to stay here, wrapping that left pinky to the ground. You might want to take that left hand towards the back of your head and kind of lean back. Imagine like a rock star, like almost sliding across the floor. Breath in. Breath out. 1 more. If that hand's behind the head, extend that left arm nice and long. You're going to cartwheel all the way up, use the belly, look up. Awesome, hands to the floor. Step that that left hand underneath that right, kind of twist in opposition. So I just want you to twist your shoulders. You might be able to lay that shoulder down. You might want to stay up. We have 3. You're going to really feel it in that left inner thigh. 2. Awesome. Come all the way back up. Left hand plants. Left knee plants. Switch sides. Right leg extends out. See if you can take those right toes forward. Right hip in alignment with the left. Take a few rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, belly drops, heart lifts. Exhale, round, floor presses, look in. 2 more. Breath in. Exhale, breath out. 1 more time. Big inhale. Big exhale, round, look in. Awesome. You're going to come to that neutral spine. Use the core to lift you up. Right hand to right leg. Reach that left arm up and slide down the leg. Can you look underneath that left armpit? Start to just breathe up and down that left side for 3. For 2. Awesome. Come up all the way. Take the left hand all the way to the floor. You can stretch that right arm out nice and long, pinky down. Or take that hand behind the head and start to lean back into space. 3. 2. Channel your inner rock star. Awesome. On your inhale, use your core strength. Come up all the way. Sweep the arms up. Take your hands to heart center. You're going to take that right knee right back to meet the left. Awesome. Think nice and long line in the body. You're just going to start to tuck the toes under, engage the core, lengthen the low back, find that nice little like Michael Jackson tilt, and just start to hinge back ever so slightly. Stretch out through the quads. It's like the Michael Jackson tilt with the Christina Aguilera Genie in the Bottle lean. We're going to take a few of those tilt backs. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, tilt back. Open up the front body. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hinge. Inhale, lift. Exhale, hinge. Like a little goes a long way. Good. Inhale, lift up. You're going to plant your hands. Walk your hands 2 hands distance forward. Take your hips over top your knees and slide your hands forward as you melt your heart. Happy puppy. Option to stay here. Option to bend your elbows. Rest your hands in the back of your head. 3. Melt the heart. Melt the resistance. 2. Good. Extend the arms out. Come up, tabletop position. Tuck the toes, hover the knees. Allow the hips to come up and back, downward facing dog. On your inhale, you're going to stretch the right leg back. Stamp the heel back. Exhale, curl knee to nose. Step it through. Tap that left knee and sweep the arms up. On your exhale, you're going to straighten that right leg and draw the elbows wide. Good. 2 more. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, straighten that right leg, sweep the elbows wide. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, straighten. You're going to keep that right leg straight and reach the hands back. It's going to be one massive sweep. Bend the right knee, lift that left knee off the mat. Warrior 2, come on up. Flip that right palm up, bend the right elbow and take that left hand to the right elbow. You're going to pop it back and then sweep it up and back. Good. As you're here, I want you to see me. Use your head to pin back that right arm to really open the chest. Good. Breath in. If that double bind's in your practice and you want to take that left hand and start to the right, that's awesome too. Breath out. 2 more. Breath in. Breath out. On your inhale, you're going to reverse. Right arm reaches up and back. Hands release all the way to the ground. Plank position, step the right foot back. Exhale, down dog. Allow your spine to move like a wave. 2 more. Inhale, ripple forward. Exhale, wave back. Last time, ripple forward. Wave back. Make your way to your belly. Maybe you slow lower in a chaturanga. Maybe you drop to your knees and snake forward. Forehead to the mat, hands stretch along the side, toes click to the earth. On your inhale, lift up, low cobra. Exhale, lower. Keep your chin tucked, neck long. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Last time, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. On this one, you're going to lift up. Maybe you keep your hands here. Maybe you interlace them at your low back. Maybe you keep your feet down, or maybe you lift them and kind of floint the toes. We have 3. 2. Good. Exhale, release down, up and back, child pose. Counter stretch. Big toes together, knees wide. Perfect. Rise on up. Hands to the hips. Step that left foot forward. Good. You're going to tuck those right toes under. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, hips rock back, elbows wide. Good. 2 more. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, hips rock back, elbows wide. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, sweep back. This time, hands are going to sweep long. It's going to be one swoop. Bend the left knee, tuck the right toes, lift up. Good. Sweep the arms up. Warrior two. Same as before. Flip the left palm up. Bend the elbow. You're going to take that right hand to that left elbow, pop it up, or pop it back, and then sweep it up and back. Take a couple breaths. Use that head to kind of pin back the arm. We have 3, 2. Good. Now we're going to flow. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, extend. So release the arms. Sweep them all the way to the ground. Step that left foot back to meet the right. Downward facing dog. Only time to vinyasa if you choose. Inhale, ripple forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, open, low cobra, high cobra, or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Perfect. Start to walk your hands back towards your feet. If it's okay on your spine, take an inhale, halfway lift. And an exhale, fold. Any injury, always bend the knees and find a flat back. 2 breaths, allow the spine to decompress. Good, hands to the earth, bend the knees, transition to swing your feet around towards front. You're gonna take your big toes together, your feet together. Move the meat of the muscle out to the back. Take a big breath in, lift the heart, and as you exhale, just start to fold. As you're folding, soften the shoulders, keep the spine nice and long. Remember, try to avoid that rounding, keep the spine lengthening. Imagine there's that beam of light coming like out the hips, all the way up the spine, out the head. And if you fold or round, you like kind of cancel out that beam of energy. Keep the back long, shoulders down. We have 5, 4, 3, 2. Good, come on up. Extend your legs out nice and wide. You're gonna take that right hand towards that left leg, reach that left arm up and lean over towards the right. Good, breath in. Breath out. One more. We're gonna switch sides, use your core and your obliques, rise on up. Take that left hand all the way down, right arm up and lean over towards the left. Breath in. Breath out. One more. Good, on your inhale, use your core, come on up, reach up, look up. This time take your hands behind, elbows bend, draw your elbows together, lift your heart, maybe lift your gaze. If that's uncomfortable, tuck the chin. Keep trying to bring your elbows together. Awesome. One more breath. And then release. So you're just gonna come to a seat. Take your right hand to your belly, your left hand to your chest. Close your eyes and just find gratitude that you gave yourself these 15 minutes just to move the energy. How important that can be. Find gratitude that your breath and body supported you. And find gratitude in your power to shift with whatever life hands you. You can shift that energy. When you're ready, we're going to close the class with a namaste. The light and love in me honors that light and love in you. Take a big breath in. Exhale it out. Namaste. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed that short practice. As always, remember, you create your next step rather than react to it. Namaste.